Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Cognitive behavioral therapy, also known as CBT, is an evidence-based therapeutic approach that explores thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors to help individuals better manage their emotions and reactions. CBT has been utilized to effectively treat anxiety disorders, helping individuals identify and challenge irrational and distorted thoughts that can lead to anxious feelings and behaviors. By understanding their thought patterns and working to challenge them, individuals can learn coping skills that help reduce anxiety symptoms. Therapists can use a CBT Anxiety Worksheet to help individuals identify their anxious thoughts and behaviors, question their thoughts' accuracy, and develop alternative responses. This worksheet can be used as part of in-session work or given as homework between sessions so that clients can continue to practice their new skills outside of therapy. To use our free CBT Anxiety Worksheet, follow these steps. Download our CBT Anxiety Worksheet from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Take the time to explain the purpose of the worksheet and various aspects it covers. Emphasize the importance of recognizing and understanding anxiety, and discuss the significance of employing cognitive behavioral strategies to alleviate symptoms. Guide your client through filling out the CBT Anxiety Worksheet template. Encourage them to reflect on their anxiety triggers, thought patterns, and behavioral responses. Review the CBT Anxiety Worksheet with your client and discuss any emerging difficulties or patterns that arise. This review process will help them identify triggers for anxiety and reveal potential opportunities for growth and improvement. Here is a sample of our CBT Anxiety Worksheet, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our CBT Anxiety Worksheet, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a range of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.